Your bushing from Makwa by the back in Wood Sports, YouTube, in Wood Sports, TikTok. The next year, boy, a crop, ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko, as ye. The next year, boy, crop, ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko, as ye. Fabulous, the best, fabulous, Ukuma Apma, Apimbeba. Na, Kotoko, as ye, and since your question about quoi, supporters and the fans, no, Abisa say, who will be Kotoko Chief Executive Officer, the CEO? Question baby Kotoko supporters no anasa fans no ebusa pa say who becomes Chief Executive Officer of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, ACU of Kotoko. Names bebre amanfo ebubo din bebre na no pay na say nay dia metumi aka ne say ana say pay information ayensa aka no Kotoko may not appoint CEO. Kotoko may not appoint CEO. Any nsɛm a anaasɛ information a yɛnsa ɛka no. Na ɛyɛ Kumasi Asante Kotoko board of directors no I appointed Mr. James Osei Brown. Mr. James Osei Brown as the executive chairman of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club. Mr. James Osei Brown as the executive chairman of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club. Now, Mr. James Osei Brown, do one idea your boy am do be pay Joshob. Joshob construction or your coin. Joshob. Mr. James Osei Brown, or no necessary Kumasi Asante Kotoko board of directors, no, are appointed as chairman, executive chairman of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club, Joshob. And honestly, see, our board of directors no are appointed as the executive chairman. Nti say appointment we as executive chairman abema appointment of CEO no ebe bibi kakra. The appointment of CEO ebe bibi because executive chairman there only CEO no almost the same role na be play. Nti ano na ye twen say Mr. James Osei Brown abe act and also be play the role of the CEO and now say appointment be ebeba for CEO of Kumasi Asante Kotoko because per a release a buy a bra omo power Mr. Stanley Menzo hono na sa that release no sa edin Mr. James Osei Brown also as executive chairman of the club. Nti ye hwe say after say yabo Mr. James Osei Brown as executive chairman no board no be sign appoint CEO of the club ni nyina no yen Kotoko supporters ne Kotoko faithfuls no ye behwe say sa appointment no ebeba so anase emba so na bebre na so twen the appointment of coach and also eba so club no watoto nyoma e dey ama players nti no nyoma bebre o wa board of directors no nti see sporting director and say director of football appointment no awie no ye hwe say the next thing will be the coach omba appoint no ba to nyoma e dey ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko na afei players recruitment players on be free club no players ebeba omo be call omo contract expire omo ye be renew omo contract no ni nyina abaso na afei yetumi ahihye a new team a new club a new management ya forming everything new so na be ya 2026-2027 season no be a very 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 successful area crop ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In this year na ye whether Kotoko board will appoint a CEO or not. I don't necessarily no ye twen. And after appointment of coach eba appointing no na baba to nyoma edi ama krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It is here you can say the Mr. James Osei Brown Joshob has been appointed as executive chairman of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Sansemi nyina no pepe e wo nchiremu pa ode ba mai mume enkotie Richard Suarez pepe nchiremu a ode mai fa this appointment ho. The best and best here.
some make us say the amateur no Kotoko appoint CEO BM, so no CEO. And also be sure see come back to your stories no ma. DJ China Dama I'm so or ye ho yi kama am ye de to. The because say yi de CEO some general manager no ne MD some no. Ba bia ye nkomodie ne ye die no. E bia na eno emma so saa.
Okay, me kram bisa said na board chairman or time sir.
Enti me catch us the board chair.
Yeah.
The executive chairman of the club. And with respect, let me do a little bit of small education for you. You need position be a friend executive board chairman. Oh, in the administrative setup, your board chairman, you see you about combining you become the executive chairman or your executive board chairman.
Okay.
And now Asante Kotoko for confirm say opinion thing at the Joseph Joshob Osei Brown. Joseph Osei Brown didn't know.
Yes.
Joshob. Or no the Kotoko executive chairman.
Yes.
And to see you Samono for two baby. And I explained to you that
Brown.
They were looking for a CEO of Japan obey full time. And Komano Mudini Nadia no Munyano Nippon so part time. And they were ready to pay huge amount of money because see you. Now till the pay at the man of Japan,
Okay.
but they wanted the person on full-time basis. Omanyabino. Say Penino, enra Kotoko Kratano. I confirm say Joseph Osei Brown.
James.
Sorry, James
Osei Brown.
James Osei Brown.
Joshob.
Or no Asante Kotoko. Executive chairman. And Japan with respect. Eti Krataya a dark page in the
Fantastic.
Now the otro Kratano emphasis or a lawyer ni. It's they love emphasis. Answer baby opinion din one. Any the position you know. You're bolding you know.
Yes.
Stand out. The reason here all type of word document are bolding baby is all person hold on. Stand out.
Yes.
With the inky gum said ya when the boss what do you be here pa. I'm just so kind on kakra from baby ya bolding no. Na yam fan koye ni.
Osei he will be responsible for all technical matters of the club until the appointment of a substantive head coach for the senior side. Mr. James Osei Brown, the executive chairman of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club, has maintained that.
That's it. Mr. James Osei Brown, the executive chairman of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club. So, so I supporter, try see you. And I'm so be free. I know because I say the one by one neighbor see you, and I say the person wanted to be clear in his mind. The one by there, technical nyoma, and so almost say until Kotoko appointed a substantive coach, you know, all technical matters of the club on never hojuma. Opinion thing at the Stanley Menzo. It may show say Kotoko coach, you know. Who becomes Kotoko's coach will be the recommendation of Stanley, the Obabe assistant coach, the Obabe goalkeeper's trainer, the Obabe anything about the technical direction of the club, no, opinion of the penny or young Wojuma. Kotoko, ebe appointed to say Ebia or director of communication. Now the meeting no opinion did Alex Osei Ousuno, Abusia Obasanso Atwaso, aye Asante Kotoko. Legal affairs director. Okay. Or a board secretary, he will also be the legal affairs director of Asante Kotoko. So you can it here fuller time so say Asante Kotoko executive chairman, even though communication free Kotoko homai, but anra kratan the buy and describe the board chairman nipa no try or a very particular with English any the construction. If he wanted to refer to Joshob as the board chairman, but also executive chairman of the club.
Mr. James Osei Brown, the executive chairman of Asante Kotoko Sporting Club, has maintained that.
So if you are looking for what the executive chairman does, he leads the board and he leads management.
Yes.
It is not the first time we see our Asante Kotoko history. Dr. Kofi Kodu Sapon Desmond KK Sapon, no executive chairman of Asante Kotoko. Dr. Chei, I was the first stint with Kotoko.
Yeah.
He was executive chairman of the club. Herbert Mensah first time now son of board, PV or being led board, never. Now Herbert, I am the executive chairman of Asante Kotoko. Yes. We've seen that before. And that is where Kotoko assign Akobim. Inti o expect see you announcement pacho nyadi akotoko e ba be announce see you biem e nyadi akotoko e ba be announce sa position is akotoko e fa see you. Per this letter we are safe to conclude say adwuma no sa energy abuja praise abia jambo
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man
ana ya akura ne de no.
Yes, even
now fanna for you know mutwa ne bra wate na no kwasam say opanyin ebuso panyin adwuma obaye na adwuma keto wa enra ye try se be wuram kakra. Stanley adwuma no obaye ne de
esun
wo ye Kotoko supporter sabre nipa ese bom pai man pass na adwuma no be yie no aye Stanley Menzo. If he gets it right, we can assume that Kotoko will get it right. A foundation abuso wo see that now foundation enya emfa ho ne roofing kura be so roofi emfa because the form na anya yi. At this point in time, we are Kotoko supporter. Nipa ba ko o bom pai man se ne dwumadie no enya yie. Ai opanya ne de Stanley Menzo because obele foundation.
yes
We'll go back to the letter. Kabiru mami paragraph na. Omo kire ne dwumadie ankasa oba bedie no. Enya bo chama de no. Kotoko say that Troy. Baby a ne dwumadie wo bisapanyi. Enra de no. I was not even reading from Kotoko Krata no. Now me making kind free the normal adwuma. We sporting director na say we football director we. But me wie na me ko trans Kotoko Krata kan bia unya de foforo and Krata am for so pa the pension na you.
yes
O ridi bia hu asam foforo wa hu ba ko no. E loaded. So I say oh we paragraph 1 no. So a general but me pe bia one ma
specific now
specific roles na oba me that's pa. In his new role, Mr. Menzo will assume responsibility for the club's overall football direction. Me say if this man gets it wrong, Kotoko will get it wrong. Sure. If he gets it right, Kotoko are expected to get it right.
Yeah.
And Tisabre me so your Kotoko supporter. Panyini we, oh good wishes be a far wish and send Juma obe no. Ebe ye because obe seti Kotoko football overall football direction on eba be seti, including technical strategy, player recruitment and retention. And to be fair, Kotoko coach in Bebano. No way we player recruitment and retention. One etna. One echo. One year for that decision I had the sole responsibility of Mr. Stanley Menzo.
yeah
It is enshrined in the letter that is even announcing where I call the appointment letter, the job description side. No.
Yeah.
But Kotoko I is so transparent. Say, Omo be youth development. Be a technical director. The youth development of the club, no? Or oversight responsibility.
Yeah.
And the alignment of academy and senior structures into a single coherent football identity. Now, since you pass it, pass it from the back. Once you pass it from the back, I opinion and Sanu Juma. See, you started now since now, you should counter attacking football in Sanu Juma.
yes
Sakotoko embo possessive based footballer Ninsanu Ejuma. Na owura in the credentials no kwa akofa eyaba njinu ahye kakraba. Omso bia no afa no Kotoko Ejuma. Okura CV we bi dey bada.
wow
Unza Ayas team na in the 80s no more very strong. No one na goalkeeper no.
yeah
You are Cruyff team no. Ya na almost abre no almost start total football na goalkeeper na chance no.
Aye.
Nti papa e me dey expect total football. Pepa paper Sani expect because I said any identity.
Sure.
And now me question him say Orano or by World Cup as goalkeepers trainer. Edema Netherlands national team no. Ebra na a Gullit head coach Edema Netherlands no.
Fantastic.
Eti adwuma ne dia papa ya gye dia busuapanyi enya dem ha ne yɛbɛtena abɛgye ho.
Wow.
Yes ba queen di fatana. Na fatana ko no. There's just one thing that mabusa me ho ase. Now this man in terms of the job the man say on the belly player recruitment you know. Abusua dear no re be so the player recruitment. This is a question that begs for answer. Assuming say Kotoko transfer market ni mu Ghana ha you need data sa papa we na say ko ba ebe adwuma alongside coaches back na will take you over. I am impressed with the CV ni kura no. And me Kotoko board number so for this wonderful appointment of my. But the only question me be say assuming say he identifies that the current team Kotoko will need a winger. A dear in Wabajina so the Akofa winger be a league because baby or one Abia Netherlands. Yakaza Okope winger. Ubet what some machine no a check it. Ubenya all the start of player be up as Okofan. Ahano se coach he can so start on let's say wingers a ball league, you know. 80 Abia top 8 clubs in the league. 7 8 D Kotoko anymore. Or kwa check it no a data on them. Abusia data what thing we chroma individual statistics of players and what thing we chroma and Stanley Menzo will face a difficult task in his recruitment and no na yabasra mo benyo opportunity aben papa is there oben na fa adwempa eben na papa no entumi and get things right because if he doesn't get things right Kotoko will not get it right. Where you don't need a rocket scientist to come and tell you. Me say Stanley Menzo as we sit here. Se club be consulted to say Netherlands or more pair, let's say a right backer. He will just fall on this. No, I check right backs in the league. Obiama demo no recommendation. Left-sided winger. Obenya information why. So that's a difficult thing for the man.
Sure.
Players on mobile league you do catch obi aso my tries my no enya possible so be free obi oboy league be say omra my tries na hwe no ansa na obemra be bokot ko amanabo enti ebi ni ho nya se ho de ya na de ya assist o check Ghana Premier League for no ko check omo ayi omo wa o ka say open goalkeeper okroma open number of saves unya open goalkeeper number of times opie babache ball in the air unya bi ni ha o enti Stanley will face challenges and me too am ban because we has ni bia me ban no enya aduana for the ban no enya Samatters for enya Karela for enya Kotoko for the benya opportunity aban no me sra so panyi ebusa ade afiri ho a fa no kra pa so no bi so timi no eni no kra e ma ho agyae fa no kra pa because he is going to lay a certain foundation upon which Asante Kotoko is expected to thrive for the next 5 years. If the foundation anya you sit down isi so a ebe dwiragu. Foundation ba bia ba de ma papa ni sabu ye kroma no wonim obia. Wonim player bia. Yes, almost Kotoko matches no. Omo man videos any ade but say Kotoko players no be evaluate you.
Yes.
O evaluate you no say the central midfielders ni na ompe. Or central midfielder. I don't know. Onya Bechem United all 34 games video. And wako check Bechem player no. Unya nations the and wako check. So he will fall on people for recommendation.
Yeah.
Those of you who will be privileged, sir. Panyini bebu samasam. Munyi mon selfishness and tonche. Ghana they come to be selfish and him. Nipa come to nipa jida be selfish. Na yam fa Kotoko ho do. Ene Kotoko ho adwempa. Emwa papa yi na so succeed a. Okro bia Asante Kotoko no ebe succeed abusua panyi sabe champo yam fa fellas ni na emfa ensia
yes we a fella time with